Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. This is our 7th video lesson and first of chapter 3, and name of chapter 3 is factors and multiples. Today's topics are factors, multiples and tests of divisibility. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, new countdown book 6. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find factors of numbers, list multiples of numbers and apply tests of divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 25. Now first of all, factors. Factors of numbers. The numbers which completely divide the given number such that the remainder is 0. A number can have finite number of factors. Example, factors of the number 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. As we can see, 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, 2 by 6 is 12 and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So all of these are factors of 12. The factor of a dividend can be a prime number or a composite number. As we can see here, 3 is prime number but 4 is composite number. So both the types are possible. 1 is the factor of every number and every number is the factor of itself. Now example, factors of 55 are 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. So 11 and 5 are factors of 55. When 55 is divided by 11 or 5, there is no remainder. 55 is the product of 11 and 5, or 11 and 5 are the factors of 55. Also 55 is equals to 1 multiplied by 55. So 55 is the product of 55 and 1, or 55 and 1 are the factors of 55. It means 1, 5, 11 and 55 are the factors of 55. Now more examples. Factors of 24, these are 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 6. All the answers are 24. We will stop over here because after this if we will do 6 multiplied by 4, so these are same factors and all of these will repeat. So we will stop over here. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now factors of 81. Here 1 multiplied by 81 is 81, 3 by 27 is 81 and 9 multiplied by 9 is also 81. So factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 9 again, so we will write it once, 27 and 81. Now a small assessment. Now factors of 18. All of you can do this. Please write in your notebooks and check your answers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. We can check that 1 multiplied by 18 is 18, 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 and 3 multiplied by 6 is also 18. So all of these are factors of 18. Now the next question is factors of 25. Now again, write in your notebooks and check your answer. Yes, the answer is 1, 5 and 25. The next is factors of 30. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. And the last question is factors of 35 and the answer is 1, 5, 7 and 35. I hope everyone has done correctly. Now the next topic is multiples. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number, and we can say that the multiple is a dividend into which a factor can divide. Examples are multiples of 7 are 7 multiplied by 1 is 7, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, 7 by 5 is 35 and 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. So the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42 onwards. So now the next question is, or next example is, first 6 multiples of 11. And these are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and 66. We cannot write 77 over here because it is not in first 6 multiples. Then multiples of 9 less than 50. And these are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. And because it is less than 50, so we have to stop over here. Now, next topic is test of divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 25. Students, you have done test of divisibility by 2, 3, 5 and 10 in your previous years. Now today we will revise what is divisibility and we will do the test of more numbers. Divisibility is when a divisor divides a dividend completely without leaving a remainder. We say the dividend is divisible by divisor. Some of the numbers have some rules to find that a number is completely divisible by a given number. Those rules are called test of divisibility for that particular number. These rules or tests are very useful when we deal with big or large numbers. Now we start with test of divisibility of 2. If the digit at one's place value is even, the number is divisible by 2. It is so simple. So we will just check the digit which is at one's place value, if it is even or divisible by 2, so the whole number is divisible by 2. So it is 3754 and it is divisible by 2, and same is here 10,956 because 6 is here, so the number is divisible by 2, and we can say this in just one glance. Now test of divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. So we will add up the digits, and it is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 is 21. And 21, we know that it is divisible by 3. It means that 4782 is also divisible by 3. Now test of divisibility of 4. If the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. And for example, 63,524, the last 2 digits are 24, and 24 is divisible by 4. It means 63,524 is also divisible by 4. Now, test of divisibility of 5. If the digits at one's place is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. For example, 36,785. 5 is here, it means this number is divisible by 5. Here, 412,790, because 0 is here, so it means this whole number is divisible by 5. Now test of divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6 also. So there is no separate test for 6, but we will see if these are divisible by 2 and 3, so the numbers are divisible by 6 also. So 4,782 is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6 also. Now test of divisibility of 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. So we will see the big number 279,832, and because 832 is divisible by 8, it means this whole number is divisible by 8. Now test of divisibility of 9. It is same as 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. So we can see this is 59,247. When we will add up the digits, it will be 27, and we know that 27 is divisible by 9. It means this whole number is divisible by 9. Now the test of divisibility of 10. It is so easy. We will just see that if the last digit is 0 or the digit at one's place is 0, it means the whole number is divisible by 10. And here we can see it is a very big number, 5,320,190, but because it is 0, so there is no need to check it. We can say that this is divisible by 10. Same as here, 382,440. 0 is here, so it is divisible by 10. Now, test of divisibility of 11. If the difference between the sums of alternate digits of the number is 0 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. This is a little tricky, but with a little practice, you can easily do it. We can see the example. The number is given 8,679. We will add up alternate numbers like 8 and 7. It will make 15. Then 6 and 9. It is also making 15, and their difference is 0. It means 8,679 is divisible by 11. Now the last test of divisibility is of 25. If the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 25, the number is divisible by 25. So we can see a very big number. It is 5,680,150. So we will just ignore this whole big number. We will just check if 50 is divisible by 25. It means this whole number is divisible by 25. Yes, 50 is divisible, so it means this is also divisible. Now next number is 382,475. We know that 75 is divisible by 25. It means this whole number is divisible by 25. I hope you liked all these tests. Now the summary of today's lesson. Factors of numbers we learned today. We did multiples of numbers, and we learned tests of divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 25. I hope with the help of this learning, you can easily complete your written assignments, which are: task 1 is question number 1 to 3 of exercise 3A, page 38 of new countdown 6. Your task 2 is question number 4 to 6 of exercise 3A, page 38 of new countdown 6. Your third task is question number 7 and 8 of exercise 3A, page 38 of new countdown 6. And your task 4 is question number 9 and 10 of exercise 3A, page 38 and 39 of new countdown 6. And your last task is question number 11 and 12 of exercise 3A, page 39 of new countdown 6. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz and keep practicing.